Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm talking today about clematis. Now, I have many different kinds of clematis, probably 25 different kinds. This is the newest one. This clematis is called Lady Kyoto, and it's a clematis that is from Japan, and it has beautiful double-flowered blooms. Now, it's now being sold by American mail order nurseries, and so you can order this gorgeous Lady Kyoto double-flowering clematis. But what I want to talk to you about, even if you don't order special clematis like this, is that clematis have different needs depending on the variety. Some clematis, which are also pronounced clematis, depending on what part of the world you come from, like to have more shade and they'll still flower. Other clematis, and I'm finding out that a lot of the double flowering clematis or clematis like to have full sun to flower at their best. So when I planted this clematis and it was in full sun, it grew so much more than I expected that it quickly reached the very top of this tripod, even though it's supposed to be a dwarf clematis. It only gets about 4 feet. Well, it went past 4 feet. It kept growing, so I just added a branch. You can kind of see the tips of a branch here, so that this clematis had someplace else to throw its blooms onto, and also it's growing in a container. Now, if you want to grow clematis in pots, choose the more compact clematis. This one, once again, is Lady Kyoto, only gets about 4 to 5 feet. It grows great in a container, but because it doesn't bloom till midsummer, I also added the sweet pea to it. So clematis can share a container with other climbers like the sweet pea. And because the sweet peas and the clematis both like cool soil, and that means that this container is kept, fairly moist, and I have a mulch on top. A mulch is something that shades the soil, and in this case, I'm using a very unusual mulch. I'm using wine corks as a mulch to keep the soil cool and shaded, and also lots of water. One more tip when it comes to clematis. Remember, when a clematis like this is in full, glorious bloom, do not fertilize. The flowers will last longer if you don't fertilize a clematis that is in bud or in bloom. I will let this continue to bloom. When all these buds are done opening, then I'll cut back the faded flowers. I will fertilize with Osmocote, a slow-release plant food, around the base of the plant, and then, ta-da, maybe I'll get an encore performance. So, Lady Kyoto, a beautiful double-flowering clematis that likes full sun. It's been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.